Greetings everyone, and welcome back to the extremely messy test bench. Just wanted to update you on a few things. Here's the progress on the discrete audio amplifier design and build project. Laying it out on this perforated board just to see if all the circuits I worked on and designed function as a complete amplifier. Will it work? Will it sputter, buzz, and pop? Then I can say, I popped it, like photonic induction. I saw a message from him the other day that he's coming back to YouTube, so that'll be interesting. But anyway, I have all the components placed. I need to solder it together. Areas where there are traces, what I do is I use solid copper wire and run the trace. I don't solder these little links together. I mean the little copper pads there. I don't solder them together in a line. I actually run copper. I think it's a better way of doing it. And again, this is not the way the kit's going to be. I'm actually going to have boards professionally made. This is just to make sure the circuit even works. You know, why would I order boards when there's a major flaw in the circuit and I have to do some redesign? So that's what's going on with the amplifier project. I apologize for not having any videos up lately. I've just been really busy, have a lot of work, just things in life been getting in the way. It's not for the lack of having anything to make a video about. It's just like I say, I've just been real busy on some other projects. And I hope I can get some videos up soon. I hit 30,000 subscribers a couple weeks ago, so a big thanks to the subscribers, certainly all the viewers. And last but not least, really appreciate the Patreon support. And you know, that's what helps buy these components to make these projects and things. A special shout out to Matt. He's offered some help with the board layout when I get the actual boards for the amplifiers made. I really do need to sit down and learn this thing. I have this idea. I want to make a smaller project, maybe like an LM386 board or something with LEDs, so I can, you know, learn the software and learn the ins and outs of having a company make boards for me. Then when I get this amplifier design finished, I can, you know, lay it all out and have the boards professionally made, just, you know, something like this here. Also want to give a shout out to Mike. It's been about a year ago he actually bought a camera for me. I mean, he spent nearly $700 on me, almost a total stranger, to buy a camera for my channel. I just, you know, it's hard to believe. I still have to pinch myself that somebody would actually do that. It does happen a lot on YouTube. You'd be surprised how, you know, somebody likes a channel, they have some money, and they want to help the channel out. So really appreciate that. Of course, Mike and Matt as well, they have sent a few things in for me to take a look at. I think Mike, hopefully he's still up to it. He's mentioned at one point he wanted to buy some transformers for my amplifier project. A couple of transformers, one for him, one for me. So, you know, if he changes his mind, that's fine. But if you're out there, Mike, let me know if you still want to do that. Give a shout out to Jason, who sent these boards in to me. These are Class A amplifier boards. I think these here are the Nelson Pass boards. Like I say, this is what I want my amp to look like in the end. You know, when we go from the prototype here to an actual nice finished project with a silk screen, double-sided board and everything. I'd like to build these up. I have to buy some components. I don't know when I'll do that. You know, sometime this year, hopefully, but not right away. But these are, like I say, they're Class A amplifier boards. This is a power supply board. Look how big this thing is. You know, my little amp board here is like 1/3 the size. This is a really nicely laid out power supply board. And another couple boards here. They're both the same. It's for stereo. So you have two for stereo. This is another Class A board. Take a look at that at some point. But yeah, I believe that his name was Jason's. I really appreciate Jason sending these in. So that's about it. Just wanted to update you on what's going on, why it's been quiet on the John Audio Tech channel here. Been real busy in the background, so that's what's going on. And for the fans of the Snickers here he is on the couch. He only goes here at night. It's kind of weird. If you have animals, it's kind of weird how they meld into your daily routine, your patterns. Your patterns of life become their patterns. You know, I feed him at a certain time of day in the mornings, and he knows almost to the minute when that time is. Well, maybe not. Maybe to the half hour. Well, there he is. Woke him up. And he has a certain time of day when he's active, and then he goes and lays down on the chair in the other room, or in the summer he likes to go upstairs and lay because it's warmer up there. But then, what? But then at nighttime he plops his butt over here on the end of the couch. But now I woke him up talking and he wants to rest on my lap. So that's it. Thanks for watching.